So we recently did some remodeling on the galley on our boat, Quantum Leap, and one of the things was to replace that backsplash we had before, which was a kind of corroded aluminum. It looked really ugly. And we used a stainless steel sheet, which being appliance grade is also magnetic. So we tried these spice jars. These are made by a company called Gneiss Spice in Maine, and they're very high quality. The magnet is sealed into the cap. They're airtight and they stick really good. You can get knockoffs on Amazon, but I don't know if they would meet the same quality criteria. They also come in a larger size, which would be equal to I think the same size spice containers you would buy in the supermarket. These are a smaller, I think about 1/3 of that, but as you can see, they are not only a convenient place to put the spices, but you can kind of get creative with them and set them up in all kinds of different designs and whatnot. And these round ones were from before. They're made by IKEA. I assume they still make those. So anyway, I think we're going to move this and the Gneiss Spice jars up to the motorhome as well. We'll probably install a panel that Gneiss Spice also sells, a metal panel, stainless steel but magnetic somewhere, and mount them on the coach too. Linda really likes how they work. I do too.